On top inside Edo today. Unto Irrua CMD wey TifiTifi people be thief, Edo State Government don talk say dem go compensate the families of police officers wey the TifiTifi people kill. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say Edo State Government go compensate the families of the 2 police officers wey TifiTifi people kill as dem dey kidnap the Chief Medical Director of Irrua Specialist Teaching Hospital, Prof. Sylvanus Okogbenin. Obaseki talk this one when he go visit the Chief Medical Director for him house for Ekpoma for Esan West Local Government Area for Edo State. After the kidnappers dem don release am, the kidnappers people be Cari Erhuegbea for Ramat Park for Benin City as him be dey go Benin Airport. The police officers wey the kidnappers dem kill na Sergeant Odion Jonathan Ajibola and Sergeant Etinosa Erhuegbea wey dey Irrua Police Divisional Headquarters. Governor talk say dem go do this compensation for under Edo State insurance scheme wey dem dey do for Edo State security architecture wey dem dey call Wabaizigan. And even if say the police officers dem no dey under Wabaizigan security architecture, him go visit the families of the police officers wey die so that dem go do ogbonge arrangement to take make sure say the police officers dem go benefit from the insurance scheme.
If you recall when the announcement broke that he had been taken hostage, we unleashed a whole security apparatus of the state on, the crime and the criminals. And as I told you the following day, we had tracked them successfully to a location in a neighboring state, and we followed very, very closely their trail. We're happy that a few days later, by the grace of God, he was released. We have very, very useful information as to what happened. We're on the trail. We have enough information, and I'm sure we'll pick them up soon. We have an insurance arrangement under our Wabaizigan. Even though they're not members of that force, we're going to make sure that we compensate the families of the slain policemen along the lines we've done for the people who directly serve under the Wabaizigan team. So I'm going to be speaking with the Commissioner of Police, meeting with the families of those affected, and adequate compensation will be made to them.
Professor Sylvanus Okogbenin come talk say the ogbonge team wey Edo State Government, security agencies and the hospital community do na make wey him quick dey free from the kidnappers' hand, and say the support wey him dey get don help him dey recover from the shock wey him be dey face.
It's really to thank the state governor himself and indeed the state government and the security agencies that I have regained my freedom, and for me that's just so thrilling. And then the support from my staff, the support from everyone in the community, it's something that's really helping me come back very fully and very strongly. And I want to urge every Nigerian to continue to put in their best, because this is the only country we have, and that's one way. By putting in our best is one way we can continue to move forward. Let's not be afraid.
Obaseki comes to Cari waka go the burial ceremony of late Elder Paul Ojiezele Atijie, wey be the papa of Edo State House of Assembly member wey dey represent Esan South Local Government Area, Honorable Sylvanus Okogbenin, wey shele for Abuja Township Stadium. Members of Edo State Executive Council na follow Governor Godwin Obaseki go do this waka. Other people wey follow for the ceremony na Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Frank Okiye, and some other members of the State House of Assembly. Now here we see this ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. So they get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.